Welcome back. In the previous videos, we have seen two different methods by which OS allot the memory. But how the OS allot the memory? There are 6 different ways OS allot any memory. So how it happened? In the fixed partition, OS firstly divide the whole memory into different chunks. Okay, and suppose if there is a process which requires 90 KB of memory, so here there are 1 and 2 places in which this OS allot the process. So how OS decide which place to allot? There are different methods. So let us start with the first method, that is called west fit. In west fit, what will OS do? First sort the all the chunks. Okay, so when you sort the all the chunks, you get 50, 50, 85, 100 and 200. Okay, and OS search the minimum chunks where the process can be allotted. Here it is 100, so OS allowed 100. This is called best fit. Okay, best fit. The second method is called worst fit. What we do in this method? The same. First sort the memory. Okay. Then OS allowed the maximum possible. Here the maximum possible is 200. So OS allowed 200 KB instead of allotting 100 KB. Okay. So what is the difference between first fit and worst fit? In first fit, OS sort the memory and allot the minimum requirement. In worst fit, OS sort the memory and allot the maximum requirement. Okay, but there is a one thing which is problem here. That is the problem of performance. Why the problem of performance happen? Because OS first had to sort the all the memory. So here the performance is very low. So there will be another method which we can use. First one is first fit. In first fit, what will we do? If there is a slot of memory here, 50, 90, 100, 200, 80. Okay, what will it do? It search from first places. Okay, until it does not get the right memory allocation. So it search for 50, then 90. Oh, 90 get the rest. So it allows the first memory which can fulfill the requirement is called first fit. Okay, and second one is next fit. What will next fit do? It search similarly for first process, 50, 90. It allowed 90. But when the second process comes, suppose the second process require 50 KB. So what will it do? It will not search from the first one, but it search from the process of the next. So it search from 100, 100, 280 and allowed 80 instead of searching from 50. In the first fit, always search start from the first one. Okay, so if the second process come after 90, suppose 15, so first fit allowed 50 to it, but in next fit always the search start from the next process. So after 90, it search start from 100, 200 and 80. So it allowed 80. I hope you understand. In first fit always the search start from the first value, but in next fit always the search start from the next value of the last process. Okay, I hope you got the difference between these two. Next one is segregated method. What this method do? In segregated method, OS will do, suppose you open any app most frequently or one of the app which require which you open most frequently and most popular in your laptop. So what will OS do? It reserves a memory for this app. Suppose that is a game, you open it daily. So what will OS do? It reserves some place in the memory for this game, and this memory cannot be given to any other process unless it is that particular game. So when there will be a memory reservation for a particular process or particular application, that is called segregated method. I hope you understand the meaning of segregated method. Here the reservation is happen for a particular app or application by OS, then it is called segregated method. And next and the last method is buddy method. What is mean by buddy method? In buddy method, what we will do? If there will be a process, suppose of 7 KB, okay, and OS will have a 64 KB of memory. So what will OS do? It will divide the process into half till it does not find a perfect match for this. So what will it do? It first divide into 32, okay. Then it divide for 16, then it divide for 8. Now if it divide more for 4 and 4, the process cannot fit. So the process can be allotted here to 8, and this method is called buddy fit, where OS divide its process into half and half till it does not find a perfect minimum place for any process memory allocation. I hope you understand the buddy method by this means. If the process get terminated, suppose the process get completed, now the memory get free. So what will buddy method do? It will merge it to 16, then 16 merge into 32. It merge till it not find any process whose neighbor is already occupied. Suppose there will be a process running here at 32, okay. So what will happen? 8 get merges into 16 get merges into 32. Now 32 and 32 can't be merged because there will be a process at 32. So the memory look like 32 and 32. Suppose this is what look like. Okay, I hope you understand all the different method how the memory allocation happens. We will meet in the next video with the upcoming topic. I hope you understand best fit. We first sort and giving the minimum, in worst fit we first sort and give the maximum. There will be a problem of performance because of sorting. Then we go for first fit. In first fit we search from the first memory to till we can't find the perfect one. In the next fit we first search, we always search from the next address of the previous process. So if there will be allocation at the 90, then we always search from this 100 level, not from always from the starting one. Then there will be a segregated method where the OS reserve the memory for the most popular app. Here the reservation happen for a particular app. So this reservation place will only give to that particular app or application. Next there will be a buddy method where OS always divide its memory into half parted till it does not find a perfect fit for a process. I hope by all the 6 methods you have clear, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.